And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a simple screen pump effect. This effect is often used in music videos, or generally when there is movement. I just have this footage of a guy jumping. So let us synchronize it, for example right here with the landing. Make sure that it's active in the timeline, go to Window, click on Effect Controls. We need under motion, the position and the scale. Start an animation by clicking on the clock icons. And we've got our first keyframes at the right position. Use scaling, maybe 120, 130. And then go backwards with the arrow keys to the left. Create new keyframes and then set it to the original value, which was 100. You can just click on these backwards arrow circle icons. You can also adjust the position. And if you want to make the pump a little bit more aggressive, just close these gaps. And you can see them much faster now. If you want to make it really aggressive, just leave maybe like 1 or 2 frames in between. And it pumps really fast now. This is the basic process. Let us repeat it for the other steps. So for example right here, I scale it in a little bit and change the position slightly. And I use the arrow keys backwards, like 2 frames. New keyframes, I set them to the original value. I go forward 2 frames, same process. Here's another step. So let us create once again a keyframe, scale in, go backwards 2 frames and forward 2 frames. And set the values back by using this reset icon. So that's the first step. The second, and maybe we'll use a double pump right here for left and right leg. So here could be a good position for another pump. So once again, keyframes 120 for the scale. I change position, go backwards with the arrow keys, new keyframes, reset it, and then go forwards 2 frames. Once again, reset the values. So as you can see, you can use that kind of like intensify movement. It's often used in music videos, so synchronize it to music if you use it. And that's how you can create the screen pump effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.